are the first artist of the called up on stage. We don't do poetry at the time. I'm still at the poetry and this is a book about the get what I'm saying? So I'm going to present you with a book and speak. Get what I'm saying? Yeah, man, because you do it all.
I appreciate it.
The original king dancer, Dr. Beenie Man. Yeah, man. Consider what it 30th. Big respect, darling. One picture with this, please.